Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole and I am super excited to be partnering with DIVA today to bring you their magic press nails. So before you click off this video and say that's a sponsored video, these aren't her thoughts, she's being paid to say this. This is 100% not the case. I have complete creative direction here. I'm giving you my honest thoughts and opinions, and I would never bring a brand to you that I didn't support. So I am obviously ridiculously impressed by these. Impressed, that is a dad joke. Impressed, get it? I love dad jokes. If you guys have any dad jokes, please leave them down below because I am obsessed with them. But I am truly impressed with these nails. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle right here. I have been raving about these on there because that's how much I love them. Unfortunately, I wasn't blessed with beautiful hands. As you can see, I have pretty wrinkly, short, stubby fingers. But these nails just elevate them to the next level and make them look so much more feminine. So if you were a 90s kid, you would know that all the rave was press-on nails in the 90s. That's all we did when we were kids. When we had sleepovers, when we had birthday parties, we just wanted to use press-on nails. But our parents would never let us use the glue because they knew how much of a mess it was. And I learned as I got older that it really is. I always end up like gluing my nails together. Then there's a white crust everywhere. It takes forever. I never know how much glue to use. Having a press-on nail completely makes life easier because all you do is peel the tab off, stick it on, hold it on for 5-10 seconds, and you are good to go. It will change the game. Let me tell you, I've looked at press-on nails in the store and I've been like, there's no way that's staying on my nail. No freaking way. If you guys get DIVA Magic Press nails, they will last. I've been playing with these for about 2 weeks and I had to physically remove them both times because they stayed on that long. And let me tell you, I'm in corporate America, okay? I am typing on my computer all day long from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then I film my videos and then I edit my videos on my computer, and I'm the only one who lives here, okay? So I do all the dishes, I take hot showers, I clean up after all my animals, I wash my hands all the time because I'm always taking my dog out, so my hands are in hot water all the time and they never come off. It is truly amazing. Plus they have these cool little stickers to kind of change up your look. So they have these little 3D nail stickers if you wanted to like change up your look midweek, pop on some stickers and then take them off if you wanted to. It leaves no sticky residue. They have cutesy little gems as well. Gems are like such a trend, especially with like the popular YouTubers. They always have like little gems on their nails. So this is a way to kind of do that at home. That's the other thing. They're completely damage free. If you are going into a salon and getting acrylics or no chip or dip, that is damaging your nail. I can't afford that. My nails are already extremely damaged. I have a thyroid problem, so my nails are just rough. They chip immediately when I paint my nails, which is why press-ons come in handy for me. These aren't going anywhere and they are not chipping. I'm not paying $50 for a manicure that then is gonna chip off within 30 minutes, and I'm not waiting at the salon. I cannot stand waiting at the salon. It is super annoying, and they are ridiculously comfortable. Whenever I get like acrylics or something like that, I always end up feeling like really tight on my nails. These are very comfortable. It feels like you have nothing on your nails. They are so super lightweight and they're super affordable. They're under $10 and I'm pretty sure you can get them at Ulta as well. So today I'm going to walk you through how to put these on. I'm going to demonstrate it. The kit has everything you need. It comes with obviously the nails. It comes with a little wooden stick to press back your cuticles, and then it comes with a little prep pad as well to clean off your nails. Prep is obviously very important. You need to prep the nail to make sure they last. If you just go in and stick them on, they're probably not going to last as long because your nails have oils, your nails are subject to all the elements and probably have things on them. So you're going to want to prep your nails as well, which is what I'm going to walk you through in a second here. So let me change this camera angle and we will get started. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did one hand. We're going to do the other hand together, but I did want to show you what comes in the kit. So this is just more of a nude color. I put on a little bit more of a pink color here, but we'll do the other hand together. So once you open it up, you'll have that just conveniently slid out there. So I'm gonna put those to the side, and then this is the little packet that includes everything you need. So you have your little nail file, you have your little wooden stick to clean under the nails and then also press the cuticles back, and then you have the prepping pad. Let me just show you what the prepping pad looks like since I've already used one. So this is the prepping pad. It smells like nail polish remover, so I'm pretty sure it might just be alcohol and nail polish remover, but you guys can see from the one I used, some stuff did come off my nails. So you do want to make sure to go in and just clean off your nails before you go in and press your nails on, because our nails are oily, and if you press a press on onto an oily nail, it's obviously not going to stick. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the rest of this to clean this off, and then I'm going to grab my little wooden stick and I'm going to press those cuticles back. I'm gonna go ahead and just slide these out of the way since they're not needed, but I am not an expert at this. I just kind of like push back lightly. I don't want to like cause any damage to the nail, and it's quite difficult doing this on camera and not having your nails right in front of your face. Typically I'm all up close, and my nails are pretty short, so I don't usually have anything under the nails, but if you did, you definitely want to clean that out. So this is all I do. It literally takes me like 2 seconds and the nails are ready to go. So I've already laid out all of my nails since I did this hand. I want to make sure to obviously match the nails up. So let me just quickly show you here in this unused version. So all of the nails have a little tab under them with a number. I'm not sure if you could see that on camera, but there's a little number right here. So before I get started, I just match up the numbers and I just kind of lay them out like this. So those would be the thumbs, for example. Now, obviously these aren't the right sizes, but this would be the next finger, and then I'd match that up with this one, and so on and so on. So you have everything laid out before you get started. There's also a little instruction manual in the kit that will walk you through this process as well. I obviously know what I'm doing, so I don't need to follow this, but for your first time, you're gonna wanna read through this. And just so you know, the little tabbed portion is the bottom of the nail. So if I was putting this one on, for example, I would be taking the tab off and then pressing it on like that. So let's go ahead and press on this hand together. All right, you guys, so I've got all of my nails laid out and I'm gonna get started here. So I'm just gonna peel the little tab back, place that over here, and then all you do, it's seriously this easy. Hopefully you guys can see this. The other nails will be a little bit easier. I push it back a little bit into the cuticle, not too far to where it's gonna be uncomfortable, but so it looks like it's kind of growing from your natural nail, and then you just press down. So I'm gonna press down mostly in the center, and then I just kind of like shift back and forth, and I just hold this for like 5 to 15 seconds, just depending on how long I feel like it, to be honest. I'm pretty sure you could get this done in like 2 seconds, but I just always kind of pull the sides as well, just to make sure it's not sticking to any of the sides, and that baby is good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest. It's gonna take me literally like 3 minutes to do this. I guess I could just do it real time, right? So you guys can actually see how quick this is. So again, push. Before I press, I like to take like a look at it facing me, which is typically how I'm applying these. Now, obviously I'm doing this on camera, so this is a little bit of a different angle for me. If I was looking at my fingers like up close to my face, it would be a little bit easier, but second one is on, moving on. Third, I think my upstairs neighbors have decided to move around furniture, of course. Fourth, I'm sorry you guys, I'm trying to make you see what I am doing here. It is kind of difficult. So can you see what I'm saying about how it just makes my hands look a little more feminine? I know, like I said, I don't have pretty hands. That's just not what I was blessed with, but these just make them look so much prettier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a file. You could either take the file in the kit that they prep or any other nail file that you have. And I'm just gonna kind of file down the little tip. So you guys can see there is like a little bit of a tip on these ones. So I'm just gonna kind of file that down. It's like, you guys see that on camera? It's just like a little bit of extra nail. Just gonna, I don't wanna change the shape at all because the shape is perfect. I just want that to go away. So I'm very lightly just gonna file that down. All right, you guys, and this is the final product. I think they are so beautiful. I love this color. It is just calling bridesmaids' names. So if I wanted to go ahead and customize my look, I could add in one of these gems. I'm not gonna do that today just because I'm really impressed with this color. And I like a flat kind of pink color on its own. I could also go in and add some of these fun little stickers if I wanted to. I did use stickers on the matte blue version and they did come off in the shower, so heads up on that. If you're taking a steamy shower, the stickers will come off, but they don't leave any kind of residue behind. So if you wanted to wear stickers one day and take them off the next day with like, they do sell a tweezers that really comes in handy to kind of get them on and off. This takes it off, no problem, and it doesn't leave any kind of sticky residue behind, which is really impressive. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the camera angle so you guys can see my face up close again, and I don't just look like talking hands here. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna change the angle. Every time I put them on, I am just so impressed with how beautiful they look. I mean, look how much more feminine my hands look with these, especially this color. It's just so beautiful. I can't get over it. So that is it for this one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on the Dashing Diva nails, let me know down below. I will leave a link for you guys to purchase them as well. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.